Support and resistance, the foundation of every price action trade. What is support? It's a price level where buyers step in and prevent price from falling further. Think of it as a floor. When price touches support, it bounces. Buyers see value and start buying. What is resistance? It's the opposite. A price level where sellers step in and prevent price from rising. Think of it as a ceiling. When price hits resistance, it gets rejected. Sellers see value and start selling. When price bounces between support and resistance, we call this a range. Price goes up to resistance, gets rejected, falls to support, bounces back up. This cycle repeats until something breaks. And here's where it gets interesting. When price finally breaks above resistance, that old resistance level becomes the new support. This is called role reversal. The ceiling becomes the floor. This is one of the most powerful concepts in trading. Let's recap. 1. Support is where buyers step in. 2. Resistance is where sellers step in. 3. Price bounces between them in a range. 4. When support or resistance breaks, the roles reverse. 5. Always trade with the structure, not against it. Support and resistance, where money meets mind. This is Coin and Cortex.